Today there was an organized run in Bishkek, and the run itself was overwhelming. The amount of energy with those 50 to 60 people, it's hard to describe. It was kind of chaotic. I mean, people were running everywhere. People were taking selfies. There was a drone overhead. There was news cameras. There's chickens running down the road. One thing that was really cool for me is there was a little boy. His name is Bekjan, and he'd actually jumped into a marathon that was in Bishkek and ran 13 miles. So he ran a half marathon. He must be, I don't know, 10 or 11 years old. And he showed up at the beginning. I met him, and he ran with me the entire way. We were almost side by side the entire way. And then when we got into Victory Park, there was a big party. There was a band playing, a big presentation. And it was just a really great afternoon. And it was a really great send-off from Kyrgyzstan. There was a saying that I heard, and that is the Kyrgyz people have a beautiful way of turning strangers into friends and friends into family. And I really felt like I was embraced as a family member. There was no judgment. I didn't speak the same language. Culturally, I'm very different, but they were just so welcoming, so open. So it didn't matter if it was a yurt out in the country of Talas or if it was in Bishkek. They all welcomed me warmly. It was, a really special time for those 3 days, and it's an experience that will live with me forever.